Exciting news! We have new products from Mente Cosmetics. These are their color intense eyeshadows. If you're unfamiliar with Mente Cosmetics, they are a Black-owned, vegan, cruelty-free cosmetics brand. I can honestly say, from experience trying all their products, they're all literally made to perfection. So I know that these are just as amazing as all their other products. As I mentioned, these are their color intense eyeshadow sticks. This is going to make eye looks that much more easier. This is how it looks in the packaging. This is the shade Deja Brew. This is what the stick looks like. It's very sleek, black packaging. You can actually twist up from the bottom to reveal more product. So getting into some swatches, we'll be starting with Deja Brew, and then moving on, we're doing Better Off Bronze, Rosy Posy, last but not least is Pretty Penny. So those are the 4 shades. They're absolutely gorgeous. They literally glide right on and the pigmentation speaks for itself. So let's go ahead and do some eye makeup. So you can clearly see I have my makeup done. I did leave out my eyes. Now I'm gonna apply it directly to my crease. Just like that. Now you can either use a brush or your fingers, but out of the sake of easy application, I'm gonna use my fingers. And you can see how easy it is to blend out this color. Now I'm gonna go in with Rosy Posy and placing that all over the lid. And then I'm gonna go back in with my finger and just tap it in. I'm gonna go in with one more shade and I'm gonna use Better Off Bronze. So I'm just applying it just there, blending it out again, you guessed it, with a finger. You can see how beautiful and pigmented those colors are, and they just look so good on the eye. Let me finish this side. I love how this looks, and it was so quick and easy to do, which I think we all need in our lives. But I'm obsessed with the packaging. They're just going to be really easy to throw in your purse. They're pigmented, they're crease proof, budge proof, get this, they're waterproof, and they're going to give you 10 hours of wear. It really doesn't get any better than that. I definitely think everybody needs these as a staple in their kit, especially if you're looking for something really quick and easy to use on the go. Definitely recommend these. Absolutely in love.